prepared speech. You must have felt like walking from that chair to here, not just 20 steps, it's more than 20 miles. So many things. Alright? In Toastmasters, we have 3 segments of typical meeting. One is prepared speeches. To become a competent communicator, you have to complete a couple of projects. Everything we do on a project session. Project 1 is something you have to talk about your own self. We call it icebreaker speech. Talking about your own self is so very nice because you have lived your life, you know yourself better. Talking about it, you don't even need a preparation. That's why we have opted that as a project 1. I will go now and further next slide we'll talk about that. Every project takes you to the next step. The second project talks you about how you have to organize your speech, how your beginning, body and closure should be planned. Project 3, taking a cue from project 1 and 2. What you need to add in here, how you have to get to your point without digressing or exaggerating on the topic which you're supposed to be talking. And project 4, it takes to the next level. We'll talk about that. Then you have impromptu speeches. Sujata called you. Some of you have responded, and most of you have responded. The reason is, I feel like you all come from the business environment. You want to be a business professional, execution, MBA. You know the importance of communication, and I'm very happy that most of you are willing to come. But still, I feel there is a lot of input, which we don't want to give now. This is not an evaluation session. We will talk about that when you visit us for the Toastmasters session. Then you have table topic master, prepared speech, then general evaluator. You have the role takers like R-Hunter. When we speak, we use certain controls, long passes, you know what I mean. I'm trying to use these words to get myself connected to the next sentence, what's going to come. Otherwise, if I don't really know what I have to speak, we call them R. And grammarly, when you're talking, sometimes even the best of the communicators, they do mistakes when they are on the stage. That could be called a lack of preparation, or maybe they are nervous, and then you find a hit on the ground. This is just one person. Yeah. So grammarly will help you where you have gone wrong and how you can improvise on that. And timer, when we talk about 1 minute, 1 minute, not more than that. So today's session for the community, for tabletop, maximum 2 minutes. I think one of us came here.